What is up, everyone? Brian, Ramen Adventures here. And today I'm out on the west side of Tokyo because I want to check out not a ramen shop, but a Tokyo-based ramen school. Today we're at the RaJuku. The RaJuku offers a few different courses, from one-day kind of quick courses all the way up to a 12-day master course in ramen. Right now it's in the middle of the master course, but I'm joining specifically for the Tonkotsu course. That's right, for 3 days they'll teach you the concepts, the techniques, all the details about how to make a creamy pork tonkotsu ramen. So let's go check it out. The RaJuku Ramen School is located out west of Tokyo near Machida. The school offers a variety of courses, from one-day experiences to a full-on 12-day course for students who want to take their ramen game to the next level. Part of that 12-day course focuses on tonkotsu, ramen made from 100% pork bones. The school is run by Koitani-sensei. Koitani-sensei has been deep in the ramen scene since his original shop, Jiraigen, was around in 2002. Since then, he's created the Jiraigen Syndicate, a group that includes his various projects as well as his disciples' shops. Classes are taught with Koitani-san's wife, Chi-san, there to translate everything to you in English. If you're interested in learning more about the school or classes, please email me and we can get you squared away. I ask that you email me directly about this so the school will know you are a Ramen Adventures fan. Okay, so today there's 5 students here from all around the world. We have Switzerland, Brazil, the Philippines, and Portugal. So very cool. We got students coming in from around the globe, learning how to make ramen. Let's check out the class.
My name is Diego Alvarez. I took this ramen class so that I could expand my knowledge in culinary and learn a lot more about this very wonderful food that is ramen.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Hi, I'm Antonio.
I'm João.
We are from Portugal. We are Agitama team.
And we soon will open a ramen shop in Lisbon. So we are here to learn to improve our ramen.
Come and visit.
My name is Tenzin. I came from Switzerland. I came here to Japan, Yokohama. I came here to learn how to serve right food to the people. That's why I'm here. I'm happy. I'm going back home happily.
はい、ジュリアゲンボスです。今日は豚骨、博多スタイルと、横浜家系スタイル2種類作りました。皆さん世界で、ラーメン作りたい人は、ラジクへぜひ来てください。よろしくお願いします。
Hi, I'm Chihiro. Welcome to Japan, and we are hoping to see you in the future. So let's make ramen! Yay!
Python is the name for creamy soups. Tonkotsu is a kind of python that uses mostly or all pork bones. Typically, you may cook this one for anywhere between 6 and 26 hours. Every shop has their own secret for extracting the max amount of collagen from the bones, the vital step to making a thick, creamy soup. Here, we'll be learning a 2-pot technique. The first pot takes all the umami-rich bones, femurs, pork backs, heads, and strips of back fat. This pot will initially make a clear soup, which will later become a creamy soup. The second pot gets a collagen-rich pig's feet and skin combination. This will make a mega-thick soup that will blend with the umami-rich soup. The best of both worlds. Cooking times, especially the pre-boiling phase, are very important. This will help remove blood and scum that make tonkotsu ramen really, really stinky. But if you want a kitchen with an odor that will make your neighbors call the cops, go ahead and skip this step. While the recipe for broth is fairly universal, the tare or seasoning liquid is often a shop's secret. You'll learn many different tares in this class, as well as the fundamentals for creating your own. Because the tonkotsu ramen is a 2-day process, we use the light soup of the day, along with ingredients from the previous day's classes, to make some delicious miso ramen. Okay, so it's the tonkotsu class, but real tonkotsu takes about 2 days to make. So what we're doing for today's tasting is taking the clear soup we made today and doing a miso ramen. So, itadakimasu. On the second day, the heat is kicked up. With the bones nice and soft, we need to break them up and get all the good stuff out. It's this marrow, along with the collagen in the feet and skins, plus the mystery brain bits that turn this soup milky and almost white. There are a few different kinds of tonkotsu ramen in Japan, so we're going to plate up a Hakata style, a Kumamoto style, Yokohama Ieke style, and a spicy style. So we're going to use the one broth to make a few different kinds, different combinations. We're actually going to use the chicken broth that they made a few days ago. Everything comes together, all these different styles of ramen. Here we go. Tonkotsu broth is just the beginning. You can make a few different styles, or even combine this pork broth with a chicken broth students made a few days before. All of these result in distinct ramen styles. We tried a straight-up Hakata version, a black garlic oil-laced Kumamoto style, and a Yokohama Ieke style. All excellent. We even added a homemade spice mix for a spicy version, something that is more and more popular overseas these days. And now here's a spicy style one. Itadakimasu. Alright, there you have it. I just finished day 1 and day 2 of the Tonkotsu course. Now there's another day where we actually open up and serve to customers. So you get some real experience actually serving ramen and making it. A lot of ramen comes down to timing, and that's a big, tough part of it. So yeah, come check it out. There we go. Links down below. Check them out. You know, if you want to come to this class, let me know. I'll help set it up for you, and hope to see you here.